sometimes wood gets rotten, and you can see right there, there's really nothing. So we want to make sure we add more screws to this, and let the landlord know that she needs to reinstall new boards here. Squirrel, squirrel. At least that one sunk. And that one too. That one sunk. That one sunk. Squirrel can't really push that out very far unless he chews his way through the whole entire wall. So we try and make things as nice looking as possible with what we're given. That being said, that patch kind of a job all over the house is not beneficial for a prolonged life of the home. Squirrel hole patch. Squirrel's evicted. Gotta make sure that hole's sealed now that we put a hole in there.